Alright guys, welcome to Focutio Entertainment. Today I'll be showing you how to create a recovery vault and to add backup items. Okay. First of all, click on New and search the marketplace for recovery. Uh, Select the backup and site recovery, which is OMS. Okay, under the new portal. So this is for both disaster recovery and data protection strategy. Click on Create and specify your the name for the vault. So I'm creating as my test recovery vault, and you can create a new resource group, or you can use existing one, and the location depending upon your business requirement. Click on Create. It will start initializing the deployment, and it will take a couple of minutes to create the recovery vault for you. So we will explore different options what we have under the recovery vault, like the backup items, how to add a backup or a VM under the recovery vault. So it got deployed. So click on this. It will show the configuration here, the settings, the resource group, and the status is active currently, and the location, the subscription ID, and the backup items, management servers, and replicated items. And it will also show you overall the health of the vault in case we have any failures or any events. And this is a kind of a dashboard where you can see the backup items, backup jobs, and backup usage, and replicated items, recovery plans, and site recovery jobs. If you go a little bit in depth, you can see here we have the diagnostics and solve problems, activity log. You can create a new support ticket here, and to getting started, to add the backup, click on backup here, and we have a couple of options here. It will first ask for the workload where it is running, the Azure or on-prem. Alright, if I select the on-prem, and this is the source, and it gives various options like files and folders, Hyper-V virtual machines, SQL Server, SharePoint, Exchange, System State, and Bare Metal. And if I select Azure, I will get only an option from the drop down. It is virtual machine. Alright, and the second one is the backup policy. The third one is the item to backup select. And if I go to the site recovery, it asks for the infrastructure, replicate application, and manage recovery plans. And if I click on infrastructure, so you need to configure the machines where to replicate, to Azure or to recovery site. And currently it supports Hyper-V, VMware, or the hypervisor, or the physical. And to the site recovery, we can give a combination with the system center, and so that is the basic information you need to gather before configuring the site recovery. Preparing your recovery plans. Alright, and you can have the properties here. It shows the complete overall properties of the recovery vault. And in order to download the Azure backup agent, you can click on download here, and you can download the backup credentials here from the properties, where you have to deploy on that specific virtual machine in order to back up your workloads or your files and folders. And you can monitor all your backup jobs and also your site recovery jobs here under the monitoring and reports. Okay, and the protected items, it will show either virtual machines or files and folders. You can click on add also if it is not there in order to configure it. Similarly, you can also check for the replicated items. And you can also manage your backup infrastructure here under manage. Click on backup configuration. You can also change the replication, the locally or the geo, and the backup management service. As of now we don't have anything, but however you can configure and you can manage from this console. So this is about the for the site recovery. Okay, so and once we add the backup items and configure the jobs, it will show the progress and the usage of the backup under this single console. So this is the basic information about the recovery vault, how you configure the backup items, backup jobs, and in detail we will look at the various settings in the next session. Thank you and have a nice day.